Hey, wherever you are right now, driving, walking, or just relaxing, get comfortable. Take one slow breath, and let's learn a little English together. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Ethan, and today we are going to talk about how to respond when someone says thank you.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Ethan, before we begin, let me ask you something quick.
Sure. Go ahead.
Someone says thank you to you. What is the first thing you say back?
Usually, you're welcome. But sometimes, no problem. Or, my pleasure.
See, that is my problem. I only know one. I say you're welcome every single time. Every time.
And how does that feel?
A little boring. Same words again and again. I want more choices.
I understand. And I think many of you listening feel the same way.
Yes. So today, everyone, we are going to learn 7 natural ways to reply when someone says thank you. 7.
7 simple ones. Easy ones. You can use them today.
Perfect. Okay, let's begin. Number 1. Ethan, I think I already know this one.
You do. Number 1 is you're welcome.
My old friend.
Yes. You're welcome is the safe one. It works everywhere. At work, with friends, with strangers.
So if I am not sure which reply to use, I just say you're welcome?
Exactly. It is always correct. Let's try it. Imagine I drop my pen and you pick it up. I say, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's say it together, everyone. You're welcome. One more time. You're welcome.
Perfect. Simple, polite, and correct.
Good. 1 down. Let's go to number 2. Number 2. Ethan, what do you have for us?
Number 2 is no problem.
No problem. When do I use this one?
This one is casual. You use it with friends or in a relaxed moment. It means, that was easy for me. It was not a big deal.
Oh, I like that. So I help a friend carry the shopping bags, they say thank you, and I say, no problem.
Yes, very natural.
Everyone, try saying it with me. No problem. And again, no problem. That feels easy and friendly. Number 3. I have a feeling this one is gentle.
You are right. Number 3 is no worries.
No worries. Oh, it sounds soft.
It is. No worries is warm. It tells the person, don't feel bad. Everything is fine.
So if someone says, thank you for waiting for me, I say, no worries?
Exactly. Let's try it. I am late, and I say, sorry, thank you for waiting.
No worries.
Beautiful. Let's say it together, everyone. No worries.
No worries. One more time, softly. No worries. I like this one a lot. Okay, number 4. Ethan, I am curious about this one.
Number 4 is short and friendly. Anytime.
Anytime? Just one word?
Just one word. It means, you can ask me again. I am happy to help.
Oh, that is sweet. So it shows I am ready to help again next time.
Yes. Imagine we are out cycling, and I say, thank you for showing me this trail.
Anytime.
Perfect. It feels warm, like a good friend.
Everyone, say it with me. Anytime. And again. Anytime. Small, but kind. Now, number 5. This one is a little longer, Ethan.
A little longer. Number 5 is glad I could help.
Glad I could help. It is a full sentence.
Yes, but it is still easy. It means, I am happy my help was useful. This one is nice for work.
Oh, I see. So I help my coworker finish a report. He says, "Thank you, you saved me." And I say, "Glad I could help."
Excellent. Kind and a little professional. Repeat after me. Glad I could help.
Glad I could help. One more time. Glad I could help. I will use this one at the office. Number 6. Ethan, what is next?
Number 6 is a fun one. Don't mention it.
Don't mention it? But he already mentioned it. He said thank you.
Good point. But it is just an expression. It means it was nothing. You don't need to thank me.
Oh, I see. So it is a relaxed, polite way to say, no trouble at all.
Exactly. Imagine I say, "Thank you for paying for my coffee."
Don't mention it.
Perfect.
Let's say it together, everyone. Don't mention it. And again, don't mention it. English is funny sometimes.
It is, but you used it correctly.
And now the last one. Number 7. I think this one is special.
It is. This one is more polite. Number 7 is my pleasure.
My pleasure. Oh, this one sounds elegant.
It does. My pleasure means helping you made me happy. You hear it in restaurants, hotels, and at work.
So I work in a hotel. A guest says, "Thank you for your help." And I say, "My pleasure."
Lovely. Very warm and polite. People feel respected.
Everyone, say it with me one last time. My pleasure. And again, slowly. My pleasure. I feel fancy now.
You should. It is a beautiful reply.
Okay, everyone. Now Ethan wants to tell us about one important mistake. Listen carefully. Go ahead, Ethan.
Yes. Many learners hear, "You're welcome," and they make it shorter. They only say, "Welcome."
Wait, so if you say thank you, I should say welcome.
That is exactly the mistake.
Oh no, what did I do wrong?
When someone thanks you, welcome alone is not correct. Welcome is for when someone arrives, like, "Welcome to my home."
Oh, so welcome is for arriving, not for thank you.
Exactly. The correct reply is the full phrase, "You're welcome."
I see. I must keep the two words together. You're welcome.
Yes. Let's try one more time. Thank you for the lesson, Rania.
You're welcome.
Perfect. Now it is correct.
Phew. Everyone, please learn from me. Don't say only welcome. Say you're welcome. Okay, let's do a quick recap, so all 7 stay in your mind. Listen and say them softly with us.
Yes. Let's say them together.
Number 1, you're welcome.
Number 2, no problem.
Number 3, no worries.
Number 4, anytime.
Number 5, glad I could help.
Number 6, don't mention it.
And number 7, my pleasure.
And the big lesson. Don't say only welcome. Say you're welcome.
Perfect. Remember, everyone, at the start of this episode, I said I always use only one reply.
You did. You're welcome every time.
But now I have 7 natural replies. And so do you.
You learned a lot today, Rania.
Thank you, Ethan. Now I feel more natural already. Now, I have a small question for all of you listening.
Oh, a good question. Go ahead.
Which reply is your favorite? Is it no worries? Is it my pleasure? Or another one? You can think about it or write it in the comments later.
And tell us, did you ever say only welcome by mistake?
Don't be shy. I did it today.
You did. You are very brave, Rania.
I am learning, just like everyone here. That is all for today. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you for learning English with us.
If this lesson helped you, you can like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write your favorite reply in the comments.
And practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes is good.
This was Rania's English Moments. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
And remember, you can listen to this again anytime. No rush. You are doing great. Take care.